Greetings. This is a gift I made for a dear friend of mine who just turned 79. And when he was growing up, he always wanted one of these sets, so I thought I'd get him one. He's also the kind of person who would never tell you like he wants something, and so I had to just be like, what would this person want? He hinted one time that he had always wanted a Meccano set from back when he was a kid, and so I was like, aha, this is the thing I'm going to do. So I went on eBay and tried to find him one, and of course they were all really expensive because they're antiques and stuff, and I was like, well, maybe what I can do is make him a box. And so I bought some spare parts, and I just made him a nice box set for it instead of having the traditional cardboard box that comes with it. And I figured he didn't care about the exactness or restoration of the parts, and he probably won't even make anything with it, but now he's had a thing he's always wanted since he was a kid. You may have noticed there was a little tin of mints, a Trader Joe's tin of mints in the video. And that's because I had made him a few weeks earlier a mystery box. And the mystery box was this little tin of mints that I emptied out and I spray painted gold. And I put one of the tiny rods from the Meccano set into the tin and put a question mark on the tin itself. So he got this like mystery gift a few weeks ago, and now he's going to get the full thing. So we'll see if he likes it. I think he will. Anyway, so I thought you might have seen that in the video and thought that was weird. I co-host a creative challenge podcast with my buddy Taylor Hokanson called Opposable Thumbs. In episode 47, one of our challenges was called Make Me Cry. And so I decided I would make this project kind of as a part of that challenge. So if you want to hear more about the box and more about the person I made it for, if you go to opposablepodcast.com, you can go to episode 47 called Make Me Cry and listen to it. It's about an hour long. And maybe you'd like the podcast in general. It's a fun thing that my friend Taylor and I do. We do it every 2 weeks. We invite a guest on and to take a creative challenge with us. And so we never know what we're going to make until 2 weeks before, and we just go for it. And sometimes it works out great. Sometimes we totally fail. So yeah, that's it. Hope you dig it. And thanks. I don't know what to say.